Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to DM classes. I am Devraj. Today we'll discuss about class 12th history, brick, beads and bones. MCQ question answer. It is about Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization, being situated on and around the Indus River. It flourished around 2500 BCE in the western part of India and western part of South Asia and some parts of Afghanistan and contemporary Pakistan (PK). So let's get started in detail about Harappan civilization MCQ question answer of brick, beards and bones class 12th history first chapter. First question, the first Director General of ASI Archaeological Survey of India was. So obviously its correct answer is option B, Alexander Cunningham. Alexander Cunningham was the first Director General of ASI. Move to next question number 2. The center of craft production in Harappan civilization was. So its correct answer is Chanhudaro. Chanhudaro was completely devoted towards craft production and it was center of craft production. So obviously its correct answer will be Chanhudaro. Move to next question number 3. Harappan is situated on the bank of which river? Option given in this Beej, Satluj and Ravi. So here correct answer is Ravi. Ravi. Harappa is situated on the bank of Ravi. Move to next question number 4. The excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro was carried out by Director General of Archaeological Survey of India ASI. Who was that? So its correct answer is option given John Howard Marshall, B. Howard Simon, C. John Galt, Simon Gilbert Marshall. Its correct answer is option E, John Howard Marshall. John Marshall. Under the complete guidance of John Marshall, Dairam Sahani discovered Harappa and Mohenjo-daro discovered by R.D. Banerjee, Rakhaldas Banerjee under the complete guidance of John Marshall. Harappa discovered in 1921 by Dairam Sahni and Mohenjo-daro discovered by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. Move to next question number 5. Which of these are the other name of Harappan civilization? Here option given Aryan civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic civilization, all of these. Here correct answer is Indus Valley civilization. Harappan civilization, also known as Indus Valley civilization, being situated on and around the Indus River. Move to next question number 6. In 1857, a report on Harappan seal was published by which was written by option given John Marshall, R.M. Wheeler, R.D. Banerjee, Alexander Cunningham. Its correct answer is option A, John Marshall. Move to next question number 7. The Harappan script was written from option given bottom to top, top to bottom, left to right, right to left. So Harappan script was pictographic in nature, which was written from right to left, from right to left. Harappan script was written from right to left. So next question number 8. Which of these are the other name of Harappan civilization? Here question repeated: Aryan civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic civilization, early civilization. Here Harappan civilization, also known as Indus Valley civilization, and early civilization. So option second and fourth will be correct answer. So option C will be correct. Move to next question number 9. The major problem faced by the archaeologist in relation to an artifact is related to with its option given material, finding, function and duplicity. So its correct answer is function. Archaeologists face problem about how to know what are the function of artifacts. Move to next question number 10. Archaeologists have also found evidence of a plough field at option given Banawali, Kalibangan, Chalistan, Shual. Here correct answer is option B, Kalibangan. Plough field has been found in Kalibangan. In Banawali, next in Banawali and Chalistan located in Haryana, there is evidence of terracotta model of plough has been found. Move to next question number 11. The roads and streets were laid out along an approximate dash pattern. Option given a grid pattern, rectangular pattern, perpendicular, square. In Harappan civilization, roads were crossed in right angle. So here correct answer will be in grid pattern, means like this. So here correct answer will be option A, grid pattern. Move to next question number 12. Scholars have estimated that the total number of wells in Mohenjo-daro was about a dash. There is evidence of 700 wells has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro was the largest city of Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization IVC, and there is evidence of a well in every house. Move to next question number 13. Dash was a large rectangular tank in a courtyard surrounded by a corridor on all four sides. So option given were house, pillared hall, the great bath and stupa. Here correct answer will be the great bath. Here correct answer will be, so sorry for inconvenience, the great bath will be its correct answer. There is a two stair in north and south direction in the great bath. So and houses were there on four sides, and there is a well in north side. Its water purified on regular basis. Move to next question number 14. Dash was almost exclusively devoted towards craft production including bead making, shell cutting and metalworking, seal making and weight making. So here correct answer is Chanhudaro. Chanhudaro was the center of craft production. It was completely devoted towards craft production including bead making, shell cutting, metalworking and seal making and weight making. So here correct answer is Chanhudaro. Move to next, the last question of this video. We will upload second part of this brick, bits and bones chapter. There will be 30 question. Here 15 question. 15 number question. The exchange were regulated by a precise system of weights usually made of stone called. Here correct answer will be church. There is a unit of church. It is a unit of weight So its correct answer will be church. So thank you for watching this video. We'll upload next part of this video, MCQ question answer. So stay home, stay safe. We'll next part of this chapter, brick, bits and bones. Keep your study and stay home, stay safe, and be healthy, do well and be well.